Moo! It is I, Mr. Davis, the mad scientist. Moo! Okay, today we're going to be doing an experiment on avalanches. Let me hear your best mad scientist laugh on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Moo! Okay, so an avalanche is when there's a sudden movement of snow, soil, and ice that goes down a mountain. You see, snow piles up in layers, and when the layers get too heavy and thick, gravity pulls it down the mountain. And avalanches are caused by loud noises, or when skiers move snow on the mountain, or even when parts of the earth move. So first, we need to decorate our mountain. As you can see, we have rocks that represent boulders. We have a broccoli, which represents some trees, probably some evergreens. And we have the townspeople. We'll get to them later, won't we, Igor? Moo! Okay, but first we need to decorate our mountain. So we have some supplies here. First, we're going to decorate it with a layer of sugar.
Just pour it all over it. Ooh, what pretty little snow! Look at the pretty little snow. We need a good first layer of snow. We're gonna, oh, the trees are getting all white. So nice. Okay, this is going to be a big mess. Don't worry, your mother will clean it up later. Or your father. Alright, let's just get all of it down there quickly as possible. Oh. Okay, the next thing we're going to pour on is the next layer of snow. We can have some quinoa, or you can use some cornmeal. Okay, let's really get it on. Alright, I'm going to spread it around a little bit. Yes, yes, that's very good, very good. What do you think of this, Igor? Oh, yes, yes. Yes, maybe with a little bit more sugar. And then last, we're going to use flour. This will be our soft snow. Oh, it's so soft. We can make some bread with it later, yes! Oh, it's so soft. Ooh. Okay, do like the snowfall, kind of like a blizzard that's happening all at once. Alright. I think we've done a pretty good job. We probably need to now, we're going to spread it out all nice and evenly. My tray fell down, but that's okay. Alright, maybe a little bit more snow. Okay. Alright, we have a really nice snowfall right now. Maybe we should check in with the townspeople. What do you think? Okay, let's do that. Yeah, I can't wait. Oh, what a pretty little snow day. Looks so nice there, Austin. Oh, yeah, I love it. Ribbit. Oh, this is going to be a great snowfall. We're dinosaurs. We came from the past, and now we're back in the future to see the beautiful snowfall. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, what are you doing? You're making loud noises. I know, I'm a robot. I don't understand what I'm doing. Boom, boom, boom. The robot is causing loud noises, which means an avalanche is about to occur. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And we'll
Slowly lift the mountain up and to see what happens when the avalanche comes. There's movement! Oh, and the dinosaurs and all the people and all the cats and the frogs are all hurt by the big snowfall. Look at the avalanche! Oh, I'm covered in it myself! Oh, no! Moo! And that is the avalanche experiment.